Hey buddy, how's it going?
Hey man, it was alright.
Cool, cool. So, how do you wake up today? Good? How do you sleep?
Pretty good, yeah. But yesterday I was sick. But right now I feel pretty good.
You feel pretty good today. Okay, so what do you have yesterday? You were sick because of what?
I kind of stomach ache, man.
Okay, so what do you have for it? Did you drink something, pills or something like that?
I make home remedy, you know.
Okay.
I don't know what to say, but yeah.
Wow.
Wow, okay.
Yeah.
I kind of what I use.
Wow, yours is that good for stomachache?
Yeah, pretty good.
Okay. So you made it or Jackie made it?
I think that's it.
Okay. So is it cold or you have to take it like hot? Or
No, normal. But the topic